Right, good afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at the use of technology when it comes to marketing. And in specific, we're going to look at electronic marketing. So information communication technology, which is ICT, is used in the marketing process in many businesses today. ICT includes a wide range of technology that is used to store, send, analyze, and communicate information. So ICT includes things like your electronic sales terminals or your till, telecommunications facilities, cell phones, smartphones, emails, internet, Zapper, Instagram, and the list just keeps growing and growing. Right, so now we move on to mobile marketing. And if you can have a look at that YouTube clip that I put up there, it really does help. So what is mobile marketing? It is a wireless medium that provides consumers with a time and location sensitive, personalized information that promotes goods, services, and ideas to the consumer. So you know that if you've been on Google and you're searching for a new pair of shoes, the next time you go onto your computer, what happens? A whole lot of ads about shoes start showing up. And then you open up your Instagram page and the same sort of thing starts happening. So you can see that this mobile marketing has seen that that is a product that you are interested in. Have you ever stopped to wonder how many adverts you're getting on your phone on a daily basis, or how many emails you're receiving about products that are trying to be sold to you? So you see, in South Africa today, most South Africans own a mobile phone, and this has provided businesses with the opportunity to connect via SMS, sending out notifications of specials that are going on. The Mobile Marketing Association reports that 70% of consumers are very open to the concept of mobile marketing, since the idea of an innovative and personal media channel has far more appeal than the traditional and digital media that we are used to. SMS has become very popular, and so too has Instagram. And this kind of mobile marketing has just exploded, and new opportunities are starting to develop the whole time. Within mobile marketing, we have two types of models. We call it a push model and a pull model. So the push model is when it's uncalled for communication is initiated by a business, right? And that would be, for example, let's say you're sitting and you're watching Survivor on TV, and then an advert comes on. You didn't ask to see an advert about the latest Dove soap, so that's being pushed out towards you. So your privacy is in question here. Whereas a pull model is information that you as a consumer are requesting, and it's sent to you via the business. So the examples there would be a website. You want to gain information about pricing. Think about the Takealot app. You go onto the app when you're wanting to find out more information or prices. But if they send you an email or a notification, that would be an example of a push model. So let's just quickly have a look at this diagram here, which explains the push and the pull model quite nicely. The push, the business is pushing information to you when you haven't asked for it, and the pull is you are going to the business and you're pulling out the information from them when it suits you. So using the internet for selling goods has really changed the way in which the marketing of products takes place. Businesses do not have to make use of traditional distribution channels anymore. They can now sell their own products online to consumers located throughout the world. This means that businesses can sell their products at a much lower price. Effectively, internet marketing allows businesses to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year. By closing the gap between providing information and getting the customers to respond, the consumer's buying cycle is sped up a lot quicker, and advertising becomes far more effective by creating immediate leads. I personally don't like going to a shopping mall, and I would far rather sit on my phone and shop for clothing using the Superbalist app. So many companies advertise their products via their websites, and now they've developed apps. Information of the product, the price, the selling techniques, the distribution, as well as contact details are all displayed on websites or on apps. So we've now come up with this new term called e-commerce. So this is used for business transactions that are performed electronically. This includes the ordering, the invoicing, the paying, the returning of goods. And e-procurement is the electronic method of buying through the use of a computer and internet technology to do the payment. So how does information technology in the retail market actually work? Computers are used in retail stores to process data electronically. Okay, the information is more accurate and timely than information used to be obtained manually. By using computer programs and supporting equipment like scanners, it is possible to have instant information on what goods are being sold, at what price are the goods being sold, how many items have been sold, and how much stock is left. This information can also be instantaneously reworked into usable data. So, for example, it can tell you what your projected income for the future could be based on existing sales information. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of this section.